Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to reset your X, formerly known as Twitter, password through email on the web version using your PC. This guide follows the latest update, so every step you'll see works with the current layout of X. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to x.com. Once the homepage loads, log in if you can, or stay on the sign-in page if you've already forgotten your password. If you're able to open your account, click on the More icon in the left-hand menu. This icon usually looks like 3 horizontal dots in a circle. Next, head over to Settings and Privacy. Under Settings, find and click on your account. This section is where you can manage all your personal and login information. Now, select Change Your Password. If you don't remember your current password, click on Forgot Password. A new page will appear asking you to enter your login details. In this case, type in the email address connected to your X account, then click Next or Submit to continue. Now, open your email inbox. You should see a message from X with a verification code. Copy that code, return to the password reset page on x.com and paste it into the text field. Once you've entered the correct code, click Submit to confirm your identity. After that, you'll be prompted to choose a new password. Enter a strong and secure password that's easy for you to remember, but hard for others to guess. Try combining letters, numbers, and symbols for better security. Once you're done, click Save or Confirm to complete the process. That's it. Your X password has now been successfully reset using your email. You can log in again using your new password anytime. If you ever forget it in the future, just repeat these same steps. Thanks for watching.